Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to a 5-minute guided morning meditation for positive energy by the Mindfulness Meditation channel. Take a deep breath in and let it go. You are here in this moment, giving yourself the gift of presence. Life moves fast, but right now, you are exactly where you need to be. This is your time to reset, recharge, and align with your highest self. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and rest your hands gently on your knees, palms facing up. Take 3 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling fully through your mouth. With each breath, feel your body relax, your mind soften, and your heart open. Now, take a moment for gratitude. Shift your focus to what you appreciate in your life, big or small. Let a feeling of warmth fill you as you acknowledge the blessings that surround you. Breathe in deeply, imagining pure, radiant energy entering through the crown of your head. And as you exhale, visualize this energy flowing down through your body, washing away tension, negativity, and anything that no longer serves you. With each breath, you are cleansing, releasing, and making space for new, uplifting energy. Set an intention for your day. What energy do you want to carry forward? Perhaps it's peace, confidence, joy, or love. See yourself embodying this energy with every breath you take. Now, repeat these affirmations in your mind. I am calm. I am grounded. I am at peace. I trust in the flow of life. I am worthy of love, abundance, and happiness. Everything is unfolding perfectly for my highest good. Breathe in these words. Let them sink into your being. You are aligning with your best self, raising your vibration, and stepping into your power. Take 3 final deep breaths, inhaling positivity and exhaling any lingering doubt or stress. When you feel ready, gently blink open your eyes. See the world with fresh clarity and a renewed spirit. Carry this energy with you throughout your day, knowing you are supported, guided, and deeply loved. If you enjoyed this meditation, continue your journey with more guided practices. Click the playlist link in the description to explore more and deepen your mindfulness practice. Sending you love and light. Namaste.